fils en attente. Non, je n'aime pas trop quand ça dure.
In this demonstration, we will show you how an automatic tool can be used to annotate named entities such as personal or place names with ITS 2.0 markup to facilitate disambiguation and correct translation. Information on the Enricher tool used in this demonstration is available from the links in the description of this video. When proper names appear in your content, you are faced with specific rules to translate or transliterate them. Sometimes they should not even be translated. The correct course of action often depends upon the context. For example, when you say, "I'm moving to London," most people would usually interpret that to mean that you're moving to the United Kingdom. However, if you say that you are reading about Jack London, that means you are reading about the American journalist and novelist. Even though both sentences contain the text London, the meaning depends upon the context. The word London by itself does not mean much unless it is linked to a specific concept. In order to support cases where names can be ambiguous, you can use natural language processing tools to annotate the content so that it can be correctly processed by translators and MT systems. Here is how you can use text analysis tools to provide the necessary markup. This is Enricher. Enricher is a web service that receives textual content, detects named entities in it, and then returns the text with these named entities marked up with appropriate identifiers. What you see here in the output are the annotations needed to identify these entities that were produced automatically. The output is valid HTML5 extended with ITS 2.0 metadata. Here you can see that the annotation was produced by a specific language tool, and that the phrase London is identified by the resource London, which is of the class place. This information can help ensure that the correct translation is used. In the second case, the same metadata appears, but here it is resolved as a Jack London resource of the class person. This sort of data can help you decide how to translate the word London or point out what the correct translation should be. For example, in French, the city name would be translated as Londres, but Jack London's name, like other personal names, would not be translated. We are adding additional metadata that helps with translation of proper names, but it also helps with text data integration. With this link, it can help you learn more about the referenced entities through resources such as DBpedia. Thank you for listening. You can try this example yourself through the URL shown on screen. The metadata shown here is defined by the ITS 2.0 specification, available through the second link shown on screen. If you would like to get involved more with this topic, you can join the ITS interest group. Thank you. For more information on ITS 2.0, please see the other videos at our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Le long de longues files en attente.